I think it's going to take quite a while to sink in. I'm really shocked, really thrilled. Oh, it means other people have taken me seriously, and I really have to start taking myself seriously. I think that's what it means. But wow, thank you. I am writing another novel at the moment, slowly. I had all that time in COVID and wasted it. But it's actually a sequel to Salt. It's the same family with setting a different time scale with some new characters and from a different character's point of view. So that's what I'm working on at the moment. I'll, I'd like to thank Gomer and particularly my wonderful, wonderful editor, Rebecca John, who just nurtured and supported me all the way through. She was absolutely fantastic. Um, I'd like to thank Literature Wales because I don't think if I hadn't gone on to the Hay writers at work, I think I'd still be in my bedroom just kind of scribbling, paragraphs. Um, my dad for all the stories. Um, my wonderful, wonderful friends at Writers at Work who well, I hope we support each other. They've been supportive and always there, and too numerous to name them, but they know who they are. And finally, thank you to the judges. Thank you. Just yeah, thank you.